Cell injury and death are central processes in general pathology, representing the consequence of the cell's inability to adapt to intense or persistent harmful stimuli. From a pathophysiological perspective, cell injury can be reversible or irreversible, depending on the intensity and duration of the damaging agent, as well as the metabolic state of the affected cell. Among the fundamental mechanisms involved are decreased ATP production, mitochondrial damage, disruption of intracellular calcium homeostasis, and increased oxidative stress due to the accumulation of reactive oxygen species. In turn, these alterations lead to structural changes such as cell swelling, cytoplasmic vacuolization, and membrane alterations, which can be reversed if homeostatic balance is restored. However, when the damage exceeds the recovery threshold, irreversible processes are triggered, culminating in cell death. From a morphological and functional perspective, cell death can manifest primarily as necrosis or apoptosis, each with its own distinctive characteristics. In fact, necrosis is associated with acute damage, loss of membrane integrity, and a secondary inflammatory response, and can adopt specific patterns such as coagulative, liquefactive, caseous, or fatty necrosis, depending on the tissue involved and the causal mechanism. Consequently, the integrated study of the biochemical mechanisms and morphological manifestations of cell injury and death is essential for interpreting the evolution of multiple diseases and for establishing diagnostic and therapeutic strategies in advanced clinical practice.